Well, where was Cecilia's husband during all of this? Apparently, they still live together, or was that disinformation? And then a similar question: how is it possible that her husband, a police officer, did not notice anything, especially with the stuff they were busy with in the flat apartment?
Okay, so his version of events is, I'm not saying that's my version of events. His version of events is that he was working night shift at the time, which was true. So he was never there when the crime was actually committed. And remember, the crimes weren't committed in her flat. They were committed, the appointment murders at least, but were committed in Miranda's flat upstairs. So he had the argument, I didn't know anything. No one told me anything. And I know for a fact, Celia had a rule that if there's someone there that's not part of the group, you don't discuss the killings. So she had a group of friends, and then she had this little core group. And the core group were the killers. So if the other friends were there, they wouldn't discuss the murders. So if that is the version, it almost sounds plausible. But I do wonder that if you are living off a police salary and your wife, who is not working, buys you a quad bike or a PlayStation, or she has bundles of cash that she's stashing in a safe in the wall, if you never as a police officer ask the question, where is this coming from? Liefie, wat gaan aan?
Yeah, yeah. Then your police radar is a little bit off, isn't it?